How to top up Steam wallet using Gcash. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So if you are running low on Steam funds but don't have a card, here's how to top up your Steam wallet using Gcash in just a few minutes. So for that, first method is to direct top up on Steam using Gcash. For that, you want to go ahead and simply open Steam application in your mobile device. Once you open the application, go ahead and log in to your account. Once logged in, simply tap on wallet right over here. And once you're inside here, you want to go ahead and choose the amount. Minimum amount is 200 pesos, so go ahead and choose it and then tap on add funds. Once you tap onto it on the screen payment, you want to go ahead and pick Gcash. And just like that, you will be redirected and then log in to your Gcash account. Just like that, authorize the payment and then your Steam wallet gets topped up instantly. No extra fees and it works on both mobile and desktop version of Steam. Option number 2 is to go ahead and simply buy Steam wallet code using Gcash. You want to go ahead and head back to your home screen, open any browser, and then visit sites like Koda Shop or Lapak Gaming. In the search bar, search for kodashop.com and then select the Steam wallet. Pick the amount, enter your email address and then choose Gcash as a payment method. And just like that, complete the payment, get your code instantly and redeem the code on Steam as usual. Sometimes these sites offer discount or cashback promos, so keep an eye out. Also make sure Gcash wallet has enough funds before you begin. Only use official or verified sites. Don't risk getting scammed. Save the code and receipt in case anything goes wrong. And then look out for Steam bonus promos on Koda Shop or Gcash every few months. And that's how easy it is to top up Steam using Gcash, either directly or through codes. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.